Hi class! I know that sometimes we have a difficult time when we are asked to write in our journal. We open up our pages, they're blank, and we don't know what to put on them. Sometimes it's because we feel like we don't know the words or we don't know how to spell them. But do you know what? You are going to be an amazing writer, even if you don't know the words. Because if you can think of a story, you can say it. And if you can say it, you can write it down. Today, we are going to look at four easy steps to writing words when we don't know how to spell them. Because today, we are going to learn to write the sounds that we hear. So I want you to stand up and I want you to do these actions with me to learn these 4 easy steps. Are you ready? Step 1, say it fast. Step 2, say it slowly. Step 3, say the sounds. And step 4, write them down. All right, let's go over those 4 steps again. Are you ready? Step 1, say it fast. Try that with me again. Step 1, say it fast. Step 2, say it slowly. Step 2, say it slowly. Step 3, say the sounds. Try that again. Step 3, say the sounds. And step 4, write them down. Well, let's practice that here today. If we were writing a story with the word dog in it, and we didn't know how to spell dog, we could use our 4 little steps. Let's try them. Step 1 was to say it fast. Say it fast with me. Dog. Step 2 was to say it slowly. So say it slowly with me. Dog. And our step 3 was to say the sounds. Say the sounds in the word dog with me. D, A, G. And step 4 is to write them down. Well, let's do that. I'm going to put them on the board instead of write them on the board. But I want you to think. D, A, G. What letter shows us the first sound? D, D. It's the letter D. D. So we have D, now we need A. What vowel says A? Yell it out, because I know you know this one. It is O. D, A. Did our word only have 2 sounds? D, A? No, it had 3. D, A, G. We need 1 more letter. D, A, G. What letter says the sound G? Is it a G? It is. Let's do these 3 sounds. D, A, G. Dog. Did we just spell dog? We did. Maybe you already knew that one, and good for you. But even if you knew how to spell dog, there's a lot of words that you don't know how to spell. But if you use these 4 steps, you'll be able to spell them. Let's go over those 4 steps again. Step 1, say it fast. Step 2, say it slowly. Step 3, say the sounds. And step 4, write them down. I know you're going to be a great writer, and you can follow those steps. Let's try another word. Maybe in your story it was a sunny day, or there was a beautiful sun on your picture, and you wanted to write sun. Well, let's try those 4 steps. We're going to say it fast, sun. And then we're going to say it slowly, sun. And now we're going to say the sounds. S, n. What's step 4? Write it down. Well, let's put those sounds on the board. Our first sound was s. S, s, What vowel says You're right. Like umbrella. S. And our word had s, n, 3 sounds. What is our final or last sound? N. Let's say them together. S, n. Sun. We just spelled sun. Did you know that you could do this with any of the words that you think in your head? Sometimes when you write them down, they might not be perfect, but I bet you could still read them. And when we're writing a story, you know what's more important than getting everything spelled correctly? Getting our thoughts onto the paper. And I know that you'll be able to write wonderful stories once you get your thoughts onto the paper. If everything's not spelled perfectly, do you know what? We can fix that later, and that's fine. Right now, I want you to get all of your thoughts right onto the paper, even if you're not quite sure how to spell them. All right, are you still standing up? If you're not, stand up again. You and I are going to do the 4 steps. All right, get ready to do the actions. Step 1, say it fast. Step 2, say it slowly. Step 3, say the sounds. And step 4, write them down. I am so pleased. Well done. You are going to tell great stories, and you are going to do a wonderful job. I hope that you have a great day, class. Bye-bye.